this is Justin Atlin from Clickbank University, and I'm really excited you're on this video right now because for the first time ever, we're opening up Clickbank University 2.0 to affiliates. It's been a long time coming since we originally released Clickbank University back in 2014, and since then, we've created all new training, it's an all new pitch, it's all new marketing, it's pretty much brand new, and we've been testing and optimizing the sales funnel for over 20,000 customers, and we've got our conversions down. Just make sure that you register by entering in your details below this video, and you'll get our promotional material on the next page so you can have the swipes, the banners you need to make the most out of your promotion with Clickbank University. Thanks so much for promoting. We really appreciate it, and we'll talk to you soon.